viewers, this is a HP pavilion. You can see from the screen, boot device not found. Please install an operating system on your hard disk. This is a working system. All of a sudden it developed this fault. So you can see it's a hard drive / operating system error. How do you resolve it? What you do, switch off this system. When you switch it off, then you on it. When you on the system, you press escape key. Now you can see it's showing F2. This you can see how they did a hard drive check, but there's no need for hard drive check because when you check it, it will show you errors. So what you do is to go back and make sure that you boot from CD. Have a CD, a bootable disk that you will boot from. This will enable you to connect your bootable disk, then use an escape key to enter setup for HP computers. When you press escape key, you will see a prompt, touch any key to boot from the CD. Once you just touch the key, you will now boot. It will start booting from the bootable disk, and the bootable disk is now we inserted it on this external DVD drive. Some system might have their own internal DVD, or you can still boot with a USB that is a bootable disk. With that, you can boot into the disk so that you can be able to recover the operating system. You can see it has loaded. Now what you do is to click next, install. When you install, you will see the different partitions because the setup is starting. So if you have the key, you can put the key of the bootable disk, because this is a Windows 10 operating system, but I don't want to put it now. I skip. So if you choose upgrade, the upgrade will stop this installation. I will direct you back so that you start upgrading. But since the Windows has an issue and we still yet to confirm whether it's a hard drive issue, we will choose custom. So you can see that this is you can see the different partitions we have. So you choose the one that you are using, which is the primary. Yes. But now from here you see that operating system cannot be installed on this because it's on MBR. So what are you going to do? Let's try to delete partition to remove that partition. Okay, now we have deleted partition for that, and let's see, it's still not going to install. So we'll try to create new partition. You see what is showing you? Windows cannot create new partition on this because the system is locked on MBR. So I'll show you how to remove it from MBR so that you can be able to install Windows on this partition. With your window key R, you will enter into this option. This is so what you need to do is to enter command prompt. So with your command prompt, you can be able to change it. So you can see now you're on command prompt. So what you do, type CD dot to change, so you can change to this part. This part is where you will change from that. You convert that MBR to GPR so that you can be able to access it. So okay, now what you will do is now you list disk, so you know which disk you are trying to work on. So you can see the disk that is online is the primary disk. You can see it and the size and the one that is free. So with this we can now clean it. And the disk we are going to clean is disk 0, and that's the disk that is online. So you select disk, select disk. So you are selecting disk 0. Okay, it's now selected. What do you want to do? You want to clean the MBR protected partition. Now you have cleaned it. So you see succeeded in cleaning the disk. So what do you want to do now again? Convert the MBR. Convert MBR. Okay. So you see, you select, after selecting the disk 0, which is the one that is online, you clean it, then you convert to GPT. Once you finish converting to GPT, you exit, so that it will be on GPT, so you can be able to work on your Windows. You exit again. Okay, you are there. So you will reboot your system now. Boot your system, everything. You boot from the CD now. Now you have already converted it to GPT. So install. Let's see whether it will install on that partition. So the setup is still starting. Okay, you can see now it's free to install. Now it's on GPT, so easier to install. So now, but I want to create partition because the system has a partition in case of some eventualities. I can use that partition for my recovery purpose. So I've created a partition, a new partition. Yes, now the partition before you couldn't create, but now you can create. There is a new partition now created. So you can see, then I'll choose my primary. That's my primary. Oh, the 0 partition 4. Okay, so I installed the operating system. It's now installing, unlike before. So after this installation, the drive will be recovered. Without this, your hard drive will be faulty, and before you know it, you lose your hard drive. You buy a new hard drive. This has saved you cost of buying a new hard drive. So you can go through this video and be patient. Why? Installing. So what he's doing is to finalize. After finalizing, it's rebooting. The system will reboot. Then it will finish the remaining installation process. Let's be patient. Okay, the system is rebooting. You can see after rebooting, getting device ready. The system is getting the device ready. You can see it is getting ready. It will take a while, then the system is back. What remains, you install the remaining applications. So let's see how the system will come up. This is a system that we already almost lost a hard drive, but we have succeeded in recovering the hard drive. Okay, we can see the system has finished getting ready. If you have your key, product key, you can put it here, or you skip to the next stage. So we are done. You can see the system is up, so you just give it your system name. that you want it to bear. Okay, so it's Ferdinand. Yeah. Okay, you go to next. It's done. So you have succeeded in recovering your faulty hard drive that was locked in MBR partition. So with this, you can see everything is okay. If you like our video, please follow us, subscribe so that you'll be getting more videos on how to resolve some critical IT issues. We'll keep you posted. Thank you.